Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's a transformative tool that businesses and individuals are leveraging to grow their wealth and streamline operations. Whether you're running a small business, freelancing, or investing, AI tools can help you work smarter, not harder. In this script, we'll explore how you can use AI to scale your business, boost productivity, and maximize profits. Enhance productivity with AI automation. One of the simplest ways to incorporate AI is through automation tools. Platforms like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, allow you to automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing errors. For instance, 1. Use AI-powered email tools to automatically sort, prioritize, and respond to messages. 2. Automate social media scheduling and posting with platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite. By freeing up your time, you can focus on tasks that directly impact growth, such as strategy and innovation. Leverage AI for marketing. AI tools are revolutionizing marketing by making campaigns more targeted and efficient. Here's how. 1. Content creation. Tools like Jasper AI or WriteSonic can generate high-quality blog posts, ads, and email content in minutes. 2. SEO optimization. Platforms like Surface SEO analyze search engine trends and help you create content that ranks higher on Google. With AI, you're not just guessing what your audience wants. You're using data to deliver exactly what they need. Improve financial management. Managing finances is crucial for growing both your business and personal wealth. AI-powered financial tools can make this process seamless. 1. Budgeting and expense tracking. Apps like Mint or YNAB use AI to categorize spending and help you stick to your financial goals. 2. Investment analysis. AI platforms like Morningstar or Wealthfront analyze market trends and suggest investment strategies tailored to your risk tolerance. These tools save you time and ensure that your financial decisions are based on accurate data. AI for customer relationship management, CRM. Strong customer relationships are the backbone of any successful business. AI-driven CRM tools like Salesforce, Einstein, or Zoho CRM can 1. Predict customer behavior and recommend the best times to engage. 2. Personalize marketing emails or offers based on past interactions. AI allows you to nurture customer relationships at scale, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Scale your business operation. Scaling a business often involves challenges like handling more customers, managing inventory, or expanding into new markets. AI can help you overcome these hurdles. 1. Inventory management. AI-powered tools like TradeGecko optimize stock levels, reducing waste and ensuring timely restocking. 2. Supply chain optimization. AI analyzes demand patterns to improve logistics and reduce costs. 3. Global expansion. AI translation tools, such as DeepL or Google Translate, can help you communicate with international customers and partners effortlessly. Invest in AI-powered wealth building. AI isn't just for businesses, it's also a powerful tool for building personal wealth. 1. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment or Acorns use AI to create and manage investment portfolios automatically. 2. Real estate analysis. Tools like Mashvisor help you identify lucrative property investments by analyzing market trends and rental potential. 3. Side hustles. AI tools can help you start and scale side projects, from e-commerce stores to content creation, by automating tasks like product research or video editing. Stay ahead of the competition. The business landscape is evolving rapidly, and staying ahead requires innovation. AI gives you a competitive edge by enabling you to 1. Predict industry trends using tools like TrendSpider or SimilarWeb. 2. Innovate faster by prototyping ideas with AI design tools like Canva or Adobe Firefly.